how to change your age on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically change up your age on TikTok and how you guys can do it really quickly. So come onto your phone, open up TikTok on your phone. After that, click on the bottom right on your profile. Now from over here, you guys are gonna see your profile. Click on the top right on these three lines, and then after that click on settings and privacy. Now from over here, what you guys need to do is simply scroll down to the very end, and now from over here just simply click on help center. Now once you guys click on help center, after that simply scroll down and you guys are gonna basically see all of these different options over here. Now from over here, simply click on report a problem. Now once you guys click on report a problem, it's gonna take you guys over here. So now from over here, just simply click on account and profile, and then after that it's gonna basically take you over here to another page. Now from over here, simply click on editing profile, and then after that simply click on other, and then from over here just simply tell them exactly what the problem is. Just simply click on no from over here, and then after that simply click on need more help, and then it's gonna take you guys over here. Over here, send them a message telling them that hey, I want to change up my TikTok age, and then they are gonna give you a link on your email address which you guys can use to basically update your age on TikTok. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to update your age on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, till next time, goodbye.